Pleasant good morning, students. Welcome back to Geography online class. So already I have taught this lesson, isn't it? Which lesson? Geography, lesson 6, Man and Environment. And I have given some few questions also. I am thinking so you have learned, isn't it? So students, study well and be thorough with this lesson, okay? So once we can recall whatever we have learned already. In this lesson, altogether 6 topics are there: man and environment, population, human settlement, economic activities, environmental issues, and sustainable development. So already I taught man and environment, population, human settlement, economic activities, environmental issues. Up to economic activities I have taught, isn't it? So today we can learn about next two topics: environmental issues and sustainable development. So listen, what do you know about these environmental issues? Environmental issues. What is that issue? Issue means what? In Tamil we will say prachanai, isn't it? So environment is the basic life support system that provide air, water, food and land to all living organisms. So if you want to live, what are the basic necessaries we want to live? That is food, water and shelter and land, isn't it? So but human beings degrade this environment through rapid industrialization. How these human beings are degraded? What is the meaning for degraded? Degraded means what? That means they are giving some nuisance. Tom will say it is the padipu, isn't it? By building, by cutting down of trees, and they are building many buildings. Because of that also, environment was polluted. So, what are the some of the environmental issues are deforestation, pollution such as air, water, noise, etc. Urbanization, fracking, waste disposal. Okay, what are the issues of environmental issues? Deforestation, pollution such as air, water, noise, etc. Urbanization, fracking, waste disposal. Okay, what do you know about this deforestation? That means what? Cutting down of trees. For what purpose human beings are cutting the trees? In order to cultivate or to build many buildings, isn't it? So deforestation is the cutting down of trees permanently by the people to clear forests in order to make the land available for other users. Other users means for agriculture purposes and also for building many industries like that. So effects of deforestation. Because of that, what will happen? See, if we are cutting the trees, what is happening? Deforestation results in many effects like flood and drought, loss of soil fertility, air pollution, extinction of species, global warming, spread of deserts, depletion of water resources, melting of ice caps and glaciers, rise in sea level and depletion of ozone layer. Because of deforestation, these all things are happening. So the UNCED, the United Nations Conference on Environment and Development, by name Earth Summit Conference, where it was held means it was held at Rio de Janeiro. Where it is in Brazil. In which year it was held means June 1992. So they have concluded all member countries should reduce their emission by carbon dioxide, methane and other greenhouse gases, though to be responsible for global warming. So who has considered this to reduce all these emissions? UNCED. That is the United Nations Conference on Environment and Development. Where it was held means it was held at Rio de Janeiro. It was in Brazil. Next one, conservation of forest. So, how we can conserve the forest? So, conservation of forest can be done through the regulation of cutting of trees, control over forest fire. Through regular monitoring and controlling the movement of people, forest fire can be prevented. Next, proper use of forest products. We depend on forest for our survival, from the air we breathe to the wood we use, besides providing habitats for animals and livelihood for human. Forest products are one of the most essential things in our day-to-day life. Therefore, we must use forest product properly. So, did you understand about this? What are the deforestation, effects of deforestation and conservation of forest? So, what are the effect of forest deforestation? Because of that, what will happen? Flood, drought, soil fertility will be loose, and many global warming will be there, depletion of water, ice caps, glaciers, and sea level also will rise, and there is a depletion of ozone layer also. So, what are the conservation of forest? Conservation of forest, it can be done by regulation of cutting of trees, control over forest fire, proper use of forest product. Next one is the sustainable development. What do you know about this sustainable development? Listen, in 1987, the Brundtland Commission cited the definition of sustainability. So, who has introduced in sustainable development? In Tamil, we will say Valam Kunda Valarchi. Okay. So, in 1987, the Brundtland Commission cited the definition of sustainability. So, there is one definition, define sustainability. This is very, very important. So, sustainable development is development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. Listen, sustainable development is development that meets the needs of the present. Now, what we need, that we want to be there without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. So, sustainable development is development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generation. For what purpose? To meet their own needs. For the future generation also they need, isn't it? So, we want to use our things in a proper manner. So, it is sustainable development means what? It is the development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future. We should keep for the future also. Okay, for sustainable development to be achieved, it is crucial to harmonize three core elements. It is crucial to harmonize. What is the meaning for harmonize? That means they join together. Okay. What are the three core elements? Economic growth, social aspect, and environmental protection. These are the three core elements. What are the three core elements for the sustainable development? Economic growth. We need what? Economic growth. Next, social aspect also we need, and also environmental protection also we need. These three things we need for the sustainable development. So, these elements are interconnected and are crucial for the well-being of individuals and society. To achieve true sustainability, we need to balance the economic, social, and environmental factors of sustainability in equal harmony. So, what we need, did you see the picture? What are the three cores of the sustainable development? They are the economic growth, environmental protection, and social aspects, isn't it? So, in the center, it is called the sustainability. Sustainability, that is the nilathanmai. Okay. Next one is the social sustainability. Listen, first one, social sustainability. What do you know about this social sustainability? The ability of a social system, such as a country, family, or organization, to function at a defined level of social well being and harmony is called social sustainability. So, social sustainability means it is the ability of a social system, such as a country, or some family, or some organization, or the factories, to function at a defined level of social well-being and harmony is called social sustainability. So problems like war, epidemic poverty, widespread injustice and low education rate are symptoms of a system in social unsustainability. Sustainable. So the balancing capacity of a government in maintaining peaceful existence towards other countries and at the same time providing the requirement of its citizens without affecting the environment creates social sustainability. So social sustainability means what? It is the problems like war. Sometimes war may occur, isn't it? Because of that, what will happen? The country maybe want to borrow some money or some weapons from other countries. Some epidemic poverty, widespread injustice, and low education rate. These are the symptoms of social unsustainability. Next one is the economic sustainability. What do you know about this economic sustainability? So the people on earth consume for more than what is their fair share. So what they need, they will get more, isn't it? So the economic sustainability is successfully implemented through strong public distribution system. What is know about this public distribution system? That is a fair price shop or the ration shop, isn't it? So economic sustainability ensure that our economic growth maintain a healthy balance with our ecosystem. So for all the people it is equal means it will be a powerful one. The economic sustainability is a successful implemented through strong public distribution system. Economic sustainability ensures that our economic growth maintain a healthy balance with our ecosystem. Next one is the last one is the environmental sustainability. What do you know about this environmental sustainability? Environmental sustainability is the ability of the environment to support a defined level of environmental quality and natural resource extraction rate forever to mankind. So unnecessary distribution to the environment should be avoided whenever possible to sustain our environment. So what do you know about this environmental sustainability? It is the ability of the environment to support a defined level of environmental quality and natural resource extraction rate for the mankind. Okay. So this lesson over. Next, we can see the answer the question. Okay. Yes. First, choose the correct answer. First one. All external influence and factors that affect the growth and development of living organism is dash. That is option A, environment. Next, second one, the World Population Day is observed on dash every year. July 11th. Option C. Third one, the statistical study of human population is dash. Demography. That is option A. Fourth one, the extraction of valuable minerals and other geological minerals from the mines is dash. That is mining. Option C. Fifth one, the secondary sector of the economy produces dash from raw material. Option B, finished product. Next one, sixth question, gradual increase of the Earth's temperature by the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere is called dash. Global warming. Option C. Next, Roman number 2, match the following. First one, loudspeaker, noise pollution. Second one, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. It is in Earth Summit 1992. Third one, cruciform settlement, that is T-shaped settlement. Fourth one, natural disaster, push factor. Fifth one, better living condition, pull factor. Next, Roman number 3, consider the given statement and choose the right option given below. Assertion, reason they have given. Assertion, ozone layer in the stratosphere is considered as a protective shield. Reason, it prevents the UV radiations from reaching the Earth's surface. The answer is A option. A and R are correct and A explain R. Second one, assertion A, in tertiary activities, instead of producing goods by themselves, they are in the process of production. Reason or people in tertiary activities are purely eco-friendly. That option C, A is correct and R is incorrect. Next, answer the following. Answer the following question. Answer the following question. Already I have given how many questions? 3 questions I have given, isn't it? Yes, already I have given Roman number 4. Answer the following in brief 3 questions, isn't it? Now, fourth one, write any 2 ways of how the local and the government resort park way. That is in the guide we want to learn, okay? That fourth one, write any 2 ways of how the locals and the government resort park way. Saplings of native species of plant and trees are being grown, plant and cared for. Second point, live colonies of coral from the Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve are being transplanted of Park Bay. The existing mangroves and the region are being mapped and the way land used around the mangrove is being studied. Third point, along with awareness program, the communities are also being provided with livelihood training so they can earn an income in more ways than just fishing. Okay, next question. Question number 5. Fifth question. Define population growth, define census, define sustainable development. So, define population growth, that is page number 211. Page number 211. Under the heading population growth, fourth para, you find out that above that census, population growth refers to an increase in the number of people who reside in particular area during a particular period. Next, census. That same page number 211. Under the heading the population growth, the 211, that last one box is there, isn't it? Census. The first 4 line. Census is an official enumeration of population carried out periodically. It records information about the characteristics of population such as age, sex, literacy and occupation. Next one, define sustainable development. That is page number 216. Page number 216. Under the heading sustainable development, second para full. Sustainable development is development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. Next, give reason for the following. That fully guide only you want to learn, okay? So those who are having guide, use that guide. Others, here I have given, give reason for the following. Uh, Deforestation is encouraged through the world. Planting new trees can help to reduce the amount of carbon dioxide in the air. Gases like carbon dioxide and methane are major contributors to the changing climate. Um, Deforestation, that is spelling mistake, okay, not R-E-D. Deforestation is an effective mitigation strategy to fight global warming. Next, deforestation can help to restore that the erosion has damaged. Next one, second one, acid rain destroys the ecosystem. That acid rain has many ecological effects, both none is greater than its impact on lake, stream, wetland, other aquatic environment. Acid rain makes water acidic and causes them to absorb the aluminum that makes it away from soil into lakes and streams. It limits the nutrients available to the plant and exposes them to toxic substances that are released from soil. Next, third question. The economy of the quaternary sector is called knowledge economy. The quaternary sector of economy is a way to describe a knowledge-based part of the economy. It is typically include knowledge-oriented economy sectors such as information technology, media, research and development. It is based in knowledge and skill. It consists of intellectual industries providing information services such as computing and ICT. Next question, population growth has to be brought under control. Urgent steps need to be taken to stabilize the population for sustainable development goals achieved. Next, through education, awareness of the problem faced due to population explosion like pollution, scarcity of resources, conflict, low standard of living and disruption in the ecological balance. Next, fifth one, sustainable development growth has been set to protect the planet. Sustainable development in the organizing principle for meeting human development goals, at the same time sustaining the ability of natural system to provide the natural resources and ecosystem service upon which the economy and society depend. In September 2015, the Limited Nations General Assembly firmly adopted the Universal, Integrated and Transformative in the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, a set of 17 Sustainable Development Goals. SDGs. The goals are to be implemented and achieved in every country from the year 2016 to 2030. Next one, distinguish the following. Next, distinguish the following. Roman number 6, distinguish the following. That one already I have given. It's all the questions you have marked, isn't it? Birth rate and death rate. And from the guide I have given, rural settlement and urban settlement, and the primary activities and secondary activities. 213, 214. Primary activities and secondary activities, that also I have given, isn't it? Next, Roman number 7, also answer in a paragraph, that also I have given 2 questions, isn't it? Next, Roman number 8, map skill. On the outline map of the world, mark the following places. First one, an area of high density of population in Europe. In Europe, which is the high density of population. So you can see here, isn't it? Northeast of USA, high density of population. Second one, an area of low density of population in Australia. Australia continent, low density of population. Next, third one, Palk Bay. That you find out that is between Ceylon and that India, isn't it? That Palk Bay. Next one, fourth one, a fracking banded country. That is the fracking banded country. Did you find out? Okay. Next one, fifth one, England. England, a country affected by Black Death. That is that Black Death. England, that country is affected by Black Death. Next one, sixth one, Denmark. That is the first modern census. First country where the modern census was conducted. Seventh one, River Havango. Where is that river Havango? Did you find out? Yes. Above that Tibetan plateau, you can see that river Havango. So these are the world map. Next one is on the outline map of India. Tamil Nadu marked the following places. Here also 4 places they have given. First one, metropolitan city, which is considered as a metropolitan city, that is Madurai. Okay. Second one, a district with 7,857 people per square kilometer. Well, that is the Kanchipuram district. Okay, third one, Gulf of Mannar. We find out Gulf of Mannar. Fourth one is the Palk Strait. Okay, so this is the Tamil Nadu map. So students, please study well and be thorough with this lesson. Okay, thank you students.